Limited. Deferred monthly payment.
Hi friends, so today I would like to share with you this amazing sunrise alarm clock. I really love the appearance of this clock. It is super modern and minimalist. So this has multiple features. Let me start out by mentioning that it comes with a wake up light that you will turn on right here in this button on the top. This wake up light is an LED light that you can switch the brightness in up to 10 different levels. Now guys, this awesome product also comes with an FM radio that you're gonna go ahead and turn on with the FM button right here in the top. It is super cool. In addition, you have 8 super cool lighting modes that it will create a very nice ambience in your bedroom or even if your living room if you want to use it there. And guys, this product also has the ability of setting up to 2 different alarms, and it's super easy to set it up. In addition, this product comes with 10 sleep sounds that are very soothing, and it will help you fall asleep very easily. And you can switch between them by using this button called sound right here, and you can increase or decrease the volume by using these 2 buttons here. Now, in the back, it also comes with a Type A USB port for you to recharge, for example, your mobile devices. I absolutely recommend this product, guys, and I really hope you will enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye.